According to the dermatologists, scientific studies, and many natural beauty devotees, coconut oil is comprised of a unique combination of natural fatty acids, which makes it useful in treating the skin, hair, and even many health issues. It is considered as one of the healthiest superfoods. In today's video, we are going to describe what coconut oil can do to your body if you take a spoonful of it every day. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for instant update. There will be many more videos to come for your help. Coconut oil benefits and most amazing uses. A natural treatment for Alzheimer's disease. Recent research has shown that the brain creates its own insulin to process glucose and power brain cells. But in Alzheimer's diseases, patient loses the ability to create its own insulin. In this situation, the ketones from coconut oil can provide an alternative energy source for these malfunctioning brain cells, and reduce symptoms of Alzheimer's. Prevent cancer. Coconut oil fights against cancer in two ways. First, the ketones and glucose in coconut oil prevent the access of tumor cells, and help cancer patients recover. Second, the MCFAs in coconut oil digest the lipid walls of bacteria, including Helicobacter pylori bacteria, that increase the risk of stomach cancer. Antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which reduces candida, fights bacteria, and kills parasites in the body. You can take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil 3 times daily in your diet, as your natural fuel source when you're sick. For hormone balance. Coconut oil is a great source of saturated fat that helps balance your hormones naturally. According to studies, coconut oil is an excellent fat to consume during menopause. It has positive effects on estrogen levels too, and can balance your hormones naturally. Help losing weight. Coconut oil can boost your fat-burning diet. It is proved that different foods affect your body and hormones in different ways. In this regard, the medium-chain triglycerides in coconut oil have been shown to increase calories burned over 24 hours by 7%. Treats kidney infection. Coconut oil has been well known for clear-up and healing urinary tract infection, UTI, and kidney infections. This oil works as a natural antibiotic by disrupting the lipid coating on bacteria and killing them. Also, sometimes doctors inject coconut water to clear up kidney stones. Try 1 tablespoon of coconut oil every day for 30 days, and share your experience with us. Thanks for watching.